Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to upload images to ChatGPT. So to start, go to ChatGPT in your browser and sign in to your account. Next, open or start a chat. Next, click the plus or paperclip icon near the message box right here, or you can simply drag and drop an image into the chat. So first, let's click this paperclip icon. Next, select Add Photos and Files and choose the file from your computer. So wait for it to finish uploading. Then you can add any question or instructions. So for example, make this photo clearer.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Then hit send. Click this arrow right here to send it. And that's it. So ChatGPT will process that. So if you don't see an upload option, make sure you're using a model that supports image input. You can update the ChatGPT app to the latest version. And if you're in a temporary or limited mode, image uploads may not be available or only limited. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.